Kajingalam sam khusnam shagi samla bapas bha bala pelong na National People's Youth Front Shillong City kabalong hakasi sajan ha Shillong Pynkyndit lot namal kidon bon bhagi samla pule ki bayo palat ya ka khandai 4% la kalong ha ka class 10 bat kumju ha ka class 12 kani kajing sam khusnam kari tangi kitu ki khon samla ki badai na ki constituency jong ka Shillong City ha kabala shimbet tangya ki bayo prapo percent shijrong haka class 10 but class 12 haka ni kasngi kila don palat nyo pongot ki samla ki bla yo priang ya kani ka khusnam la don lang ru haka ni kasngi na do ka MLA jong ka NPP na Shillong East but menteri ka sarkar jila kong ampri ningdo kum ka kongsan nang ta working president ka party ba Hamlet Darling kum sumbot kongsan but ru nong ai ktien ka party ba HM Shangpliang na lor kinong yalam ke NPYF but kiwe Hakani ka sngi ka kong amprin kala pen menaru ban ai ka song pisa ka bakar pang shagi samla ki ba wan hakmat haka exam class 10 but ru haka class 12 laban ka daw kani ka de ka sin ka baningkong maka NPYF kala shim ya ka senjam but ito yagi kon samla ki ba pas bha haki exam menta kum ka kanhon ki samla kala dep ban pelong bon teli ki district ya kani ka jingpun ko burom but kala pentep ru bakan yai beteng nang ni shakhaman.
It is not every ambition of every member of the NPYF to contest and be involved in active politics. But in order for a political party to be given the opportunity to govern, academicians also have to evaluate their political systems around us. We are here to serve you. And to mark this commendable effort put in by the NPYF Shillong City, the NPYF of 16 East Shillong sat in an urgent meeting and has decided to give 50,000 rupees as support to the highest mark holder in both the board category examinations that today we commemorate and recognize. President may kindly get in touch with the president of 16 East. We are here to handhold our children. We are here not to give you lip service, but to assure you that we are making systems functional in this generation. You give the NPP an opportunity to continue in its governance. You will see substantial, tangible, evaluated success stories. Look at the roads, look at the water, look at the health, look at all the other social indicators. NPP is delivering its promise to the people. The people will stand to judge us. But while we go ahead, we will assure you that if there's any problem that any citizen has, we are here to hear you. It is incorrect to obscure the truth. It is incorrect to say that students do not get scholarships. Our government, in the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, has made sure that we are there to attend to the need of our students. Since drugs was discussed and a song was written to talk about the problems of isolation of young people. Dear young citizens of the state of Meghalaya, you can perform, you will get marks, you have the talent, you have supporting family systems, you have a supporting government. But the devil is working in your minds. Like I said, talent is given to all. Let us resolve in this forum today to tell every young person to take a pledge that the devil shall not destroy or destruct or distract my life. On behalf of the Honorable Chief Minister, on behalf of the Deputy Chief Ministers who are not here to laud this wonderful program, I take this opportunity to thank each and every young person in this auditorium. Thank others also who probably did not get this information, whether it is 50, 60, 90. Marks are irrelevant. Get 95 or 100% in your lives. Be happy. Money nor marks can buy happiness. The only way we can turn our backs on the temptation of drugs is to take control of our lives. With these few observations, may the state of Meghalaya grow from year to year, from decade to decade, and long live the NPP and its frontline organizations. Kubleshibon Mithila Jain.
Ya kastia kejungi, lakalong haka kam sarkar dan hakidu di banta pidai bapi yang sindur ya kejala kejungi. Kedon bah kejikermen hapi nama ni susu syai bagi samla hapi temui rogam pidang la bele mah pidang don ya kena sim dan don ya ka jengkut jemut ke jompi dan don ke jengnu jompi dan don ke registration jompi dan don ro ya kena sim ban sacrifice ni ban ie ke bakwet ban iem ya ka thong ke jompi ikwa a gudur mar kumbolong mata abang ipet dapat kesetiap kejungi. Pekat ki bapas ayas las lempa dan syur bapas ayas buat kesetiap kejungi. Last dari kesetiap ajak lai bang yop ayas beri kesetiap kejungi. Kata kali berkeli banbu kejungi pi hang ni piran kat ni kesama. Hatu kalong mo barang kejelas jungi kita di ayas. Kita di IFS, IRS ki bahak kawai jasni. Hi pesalong ban syang ti posket ban tau ti policies ba per nam ta kasti kejungi. Dr. Amri ladan hangni dari senior politician ngan ladan posket ria rengal I yak tak jingra. I dankam ban mi ki breu jam ka jalajni banam bitaki policies mega. Ban tau an per nam ta kasti jungi borok away. Ai ba kene ka jitu mental si ketika challenge ni. Lagi wait stik laban pemi IAS kerter balai ni yang lah. Kepakan sekelon wah hidup kut jengmut. Kedua ke ia lebih bilang kut jengmut. Lagi kut jengmut kamdan ke pemla baro kedai kepala. Kata kedai ke jengmut jong kedai ke jeng kedua jengi mentai resi. Dah kejeng terkelit pada kejeng kerban lagi. Di pelong ini program mamta bagi sopan aku play ya ka NPYF ke basin di kesenjam ke bakia adu kata bagi pelong program kumpulnya kembali ke masuk reklale nak jong ke banta ke jompi tetapi yang cuma sisian aku play di borok di semua puli ke lapor ai ba pinala ban penjanai pinala ban pencain ya ka jing puli ke jompi nang ni sekambat